what you will need: 1 tennis racket, 10 tennis balls, 1 bounceable medicine ball, 1 stretchable band, tennis attire, tennis court. In order to serve harder, you need to watch this video and learn the exercises, follow the workout chart, and finish the training program. The training calendar will help you to organize your program. A good toss, plus aim, plus coiling, plus jumping, plus swinging, plus slamming the ball down will equal a harder serve. We're going to put these pieces together through 6 essential movements or exercises. These 6 exercises will allow you to serve harder than ever before. In order, let's start with the first exercise. The ball throw. The ball throw needs to be completed from behind the baseline with a relaxed swing. We want you to go ahead and throw that ball just like a baseball pitcher would throw, or similar to a serve throw. Make sure you turn your body sideways. You use tennis balls. And you warm up. Don't throw too hard right from the start. Warm up your shoulder and warm up your body. Next exercise, in order to improve the service speed, is number 2, serve accelerations. Serve accelerations are dynamic exercises created in order to make you serve faster. With a relaxed swing, we want you to accelerate your racket through the air so that you hear a whistle or the wind behind your racket, so that you know you're going through the air, through the ball, and you're relaxing your shoulder and you're improving your swing. Exercise number 3, in order to improve your serve speed, is squat jumps. For squat jumps, good technique is essential. Bringing your glutes all the way back without letting your knees go forward, spreading your legs apart, and going all the way up, thrusting as high as you can every time, will improve your vertical jump, and so will accelerate your serve speed as well. Next exercise that will improve your serve is number 4, medicine ball throws. Medicine ball throws, you're going to use a medicine ball that's bounceable and will not break when you throw down. It also needs to be a medicine ball that is light enough for you to throw. Start behind your head and throw that ball, slam it down to the ground so that it bounces back up above your shoulder height. This will help you generate tricep and back power to be able to slam the ball down when you're serving into the court. Exercise number 5. This exercise, triangle bands. Triangle will help you to strengthen core, tricep, and overall movement on your body. We want to bring your left elbow down and squeeze your rib muscles and stretch your right arm out. This is an essential exercise to get you in the right rocking and coiling motion for serve. Last but not least, number 6, we're going to go ahead and complete serve exercise. We're going to go ahead and have you serve a complete service motion with a live tennis ball, just like you would normally serve. Try to make sure you integrate all 5 of the last 5 elements we just worked on: jumping, coiling, turning, squeezing those ribs as you bring them down, and slamming your arm down into the court. These are the 6 exercises that will help you improve to reach faster speed, 10 to 20 miles per hour extra. The training calendar is an essential part of your training.